Hello, Amazing All-Stars. It's time for Number Corner. Today is Wednesday, October 13th. Let's find out what we will see with our Number Corner. This calendar is amazing. We've seen apples, leaves, chestnuts, acorns, pumpkins, and now zucchini with the pumpkins. Let's find out what will be on today's card. Here we go. What do you think it will be? Do you think it will be more pumpkin and zucchini, apples, chestnuts, acorns, leaves? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! We have 2 zucchini and 5 apples. Oh my goodness. 2 zucchini and 5 apples. Sounds like a great thing to add to our chart. Here we go. We have a lot that we've been adding. So let's add on to the chart for today. We had 7 things on our card. We had 2 zucchini and 5 pumpkins. So let's see if we can make another story, another math story. We looked in the garden. We saw 2 zucchini, 2 zucchinis, and 5 pumpkins. How many things did we see in all? All together and in all means that we are adding. So here's our number tree. Our number tree has the numbers 2 plus 5 equals 7. But I want to do something extra with this today, friends. I want to talk about the whole amount that we have. What if we had 7 and we took away the 2 zucchini? How many would we have left? How could we get to that answer? Can I show you something on our chart? Let's say that we use our number tree to get that answer. I want you to see that 2 plus 5 makes this big number on top, 7. But if we didn't have one of the numbers on the bottom, we could still use this number tree to help us figure out that missing number. So if we said that we had 7 things in the garden and we took away 2, we could actually find out by using our number tree that the answer was 5. I want you to see that this will work for addition and subtraction when we are adding the numbers together and when we are also taking away things. Good job, All-Stars, and we're going to practice that more and more. Let's go to our days in school and add another day. Wow, we're getting close to filling up a whole nother column. Wow. If you look at this, believe it or not, friends, that's 10, 20, and I could use my big, strong math muscle to figure out if there was another mark here, it would be 10. So if this is not here, that means I have 9 all together in this column. Wow. So we have 29 days that we've been in school together. Amazing. Amazing. So here we go. We can put our number 29. We can put that we have 2 groups of 10. So 2 10s and 9 ones. And we can make a math equation that says 20 plus 9 equals 29. Fantastic. Fantastic, dears. Great job. Here's what we're going to do at this moment. We're going to do a new activity. Yay! Oh, but before we do that, we have to add on another item to our collection. And we didn't add on yesterday, so we have to add a few more. This time we are going to add on 2 triangles and 2 rhombuses. But that's not all. We're going to add on 1 more hexagon and 1 more trapezoid. So if we look at our information, we have quite a bit going on here. We have 2 triangles, 2 triangles, 2 trapezoids, 2 rhombuses, and we have 3 hexagons. Amazing. Let me take you to our new activity that we're going to do. We're going to play a game. I'm going to get you started, and we'll be doing this in class also, so don't worry. We're going to play a game where we are going to talk about greater than and less than. If you look at the screen right now, we have some information that we had before. We talked about greater than, and we said 21 was greater than 15. So if 21 is greater than 15, I can use my big, super strong math muscles and think about, so that means 15 is smaller than 21. And that means that I could say that 15, the number 15, is smaller than or less than, there's that sideways L, that less than 21. Less than 21. We're going to play a quick game. It is going to be, can you guess my number? And I'm only going to deal with the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I want you to guess my number. My number is higher than 13. So that means I would cross out anything that was less than 13. My number is smaller than 14. So it can't be 14. And it can't be 15 because we said it can only be smaller than 14. Which leaves only one number. My number is 13. We're going to do this a lot in class, so get ready. Have fun, All Stars. Have an amazing day.